Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and today I want to go over the fat rope stick by Procamptek. Now I have used this stuff before many years ago and I kept it in my fire kit. So this is my original one I had. So you can see there, the color alone is different. This one's a lot more pinker, so they might have used different chemicals in it. I'm just going to show examples of each one, how they light, how long they light for, but mainly the difference between them. So far what I've noticed that when I cut this one, you get loads and loads and loads of those strands with it. Where this one, you get kind of a bigger, thicker. So maybe they're using different rope, I don't know. But once you cut this one, you're gonna have loads of fire starter just from that one cut. I mean, I hardly use that one, and I have a handful of little bits to still play with now. So I'm gonna test out the bits now, show you guys what to expect, and just get on with it. So just a quick demonstration of the fat rope stick. It's the first time using it, this generation one. I do like it. Like again, I like to chuck in my bag. It fits into the molly of my fire kit. So it's just, for me personally, it's really handy. There's no mess. So I kind of like that. And you're gonna get hundreds of fires out of this. So it's just handy. I mean, people are gonna say Vaseline cotton balls, but you're gonna have a mess. It's gonna take up space, and this won't. So you are paying what, £8 for it or something like that. I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can find it easy. But I just like it. I like all that stuff anyway. I've been using it for years, so it's just my personal opinion on it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Hope you're having a good, safe time, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up.